In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save diagrams in drawio. First, open your browser and go to draw.io, which also appears as diagrams.net. If you're starting fresh, create or open your diagram so you can save it exactly where you want. The interface loads quickly and works right in the browser, so you don't need to install anything. To save your work with full control, head to the File menu and choose Save As. This is where you pick the storage location, give your file a clear name, and select the format. The native format is great for editing later, and it keeps all your shapes, layers, and connections intact. Use a consistent naming convention so versions are easy to track, and choose a destination you or your team can reliably access. If you prefer a faster route, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. On Mac OS, press Command plus Shift plus S. This opens the same Save As panel without hunting through menus. It's perfect when you're iterating and want to capture checkpoints as you go. You can also save directly to popular cloud services. Draw.io connects with Google Drive, GitHub, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Choose your service, sign in if prompted, and confirm the folder or repository you want to use. This keeps your diagrams available across devices and makes collaboration easier. Just be sure you have the right permissions for the location you select, especially when working within shared drives or repositories. When you need a shareable file for documents, slides, or the web, use File and then Export As. Here you can choose PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. PNG is great for high-quality images with transparency. JPG works well for lighter file sizes. SVG is ideal for crisp, scalable graphics on the web or in design tools. PDF is best for printing or sending a polished multi-page document. Before exporting, adjust options like scale, background, or page area so the output looks exactly the way you expect. Exporting makes your diagram simple to share or embed. Drop a PNG into a slide deck, insert a PDF into a report, or place an SVG on a website for sharp visuals at any size. If you're distributing to a broad audience, choose a format most people can open without extra software. That's it. Go to draw.io, save as to set location, name, and format, use the shortcut for speed, save to your preferred cloud, and export as when you're ready to share. Save often, export thoughtfully, and your diagrams will always be organized and easy to use.